Números ordinales. So you can find a list of those in the internet, but I want to practice with you the pronunciation. Also, I want to tell you, most of the people, when the number gets too big, they don't know how to say it. So there are alternatives, and I'm going to teach you the alternatives. The first 10 are primero, segundo, tercero, cuarto, quinto, sexto, séptimo, octavo, noveno, décimo. After that, you start repeating. Décimo primero, décimo segundo. Same with vigésimo, trigésimo, cuadragésimo. But it starts getting difficult and people do not remember, so they just say, estamos celebrando el aniversario número 38, instead of el 38º aniversario. If you're writing, you are going to write the number and then the symbol, the same that you use to write degrees. That's it. In English, you use the ordinal numbers to talk about centuries, but in Spanish, you are going to use the regular numbers en el siglo XVII. But when you are writing, you are going to need Roman numbers. But then, when you are talking about World War II or World War I, that's a tongue twister for me, sorry. We say la Primera Guerra Mundial, la Segunda Guerra Mundial, we use ordinal.